In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your own fonts in CapCut. Whether you're creating eye-catching text overlays or adding a custom touch to your edits, knowing how to install and apply your favorite fonts can take your video projects to the next level. The process is simple, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate new fonts into your CapCut projects. So let's get started. First, we need to download and extract the font file. To do this, head over to a font website like Dafont or Google Fonts. These platforms are great because they offer a huge variety of fonts for free. Once you're on the site, browse through the options and pick a font that fits the style of your video. When you've found the one you like, click the download button. Keep in mind that the font will usually download as a zip file. Next, locate the zip file on your computer. It's typically saved in your downloads folder unless you've set a different location. Once you've found it, right-click on the file and select Extract All to unpack it. This will create a new folder containing the font files. Now open that folder and look for a file with either a TTF or OTF extension. These are TrueType and OpenType fonts, and both formats are fully compatible with most systems, including CapCut. Now that we have the font file ready, let's move on to installing it on your computer. Double-click the TTF or OTF file to open up a preview window. In this window, you'll see a button labeled Install. Click it and your system will embed the font into its font library. Once you've clicked Install, give it a few moments to finish the process. Depending on your system, it may take a little time for the new font to fully update in the library. With the font installed, the next step is to make sure CapCut recognizes it. To do this, you'll need to restart CapCut. Close the app completely, including any background processes that might still be running. This step is important because CapCut needs a fresh start to load any newly installed fonts. Once it's fully closed, reopen CapCut and load the project you're working on. Now, let's apply the font in CapCut. Begin by clicking on the text option at the top of the CapCut window. From here, you can either add new text to your project or select existing text already on your timeline. Once you've selected your text, look over to the right side panel where you'll see various text settings. Find the section labeled Font. Under this, you'll notice different font categories. Click on System or System Fonts, depending on what your version of CapCut displays. From here, scroll through the list of fonts. Your newly installed font should appear in this list, typically sorted alphabetically. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Double-check that your font was installed correctly, and make sure you restarted CapCut. Once you find your font, click on its name to apply it to your text. You'll see the text in your preview window update instantly with the new font. Feel free to experiment with different fonts or make any necessary adjustments to get the design just right. Finally, let's quickly cover troubleshooting in case you run into any issues. If your new font doesn't appear in CapCut, first verify that the font file you downloaded isn't corrupted. You can try re-downloading and reinstalling the font if needed. Also confirm that you fully restarted CapCut after installing the font, as skipping this step can prevent the software from recognizing new fonts. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to download, install, and apply custom fonts in CapCut. This simple customization can make a big difference in giving your videos a polished and professional look. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.